Get ready because the OnePlus 15 Pro is shaping up to be the ultimate flagship killer, and today we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this upcoming beast. So stick around, because what I reveal at the end might just blow your mind. The OnePlus 15 Pro is expected to come with an upgraded Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip that delivers next-level performance, making multitasking smoother, gaming faster, and AI features more powerful than ever before. Speaking of AI, this phone is rumored to bring intelligent enhancements across the board, from AI-powered photography that captures stunning shots in any condition, to smart battery optimization that learns your usage patterns and extends battery life effortlessly. And yes, the battery is expected to be massive, likely around 5,500 mAh, with blazing fast 120W charging support that takes you from 0 to full in just minutes, which is perfect for those who hate waiting around. But what's really exciting is the display, an immersive 6.9-inch AMOLED panel with a silky smooth 144Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and the kind of fluid motion that makes watching movies or scrolling through apps feel futuristic. Cameras are always a big deal, and the OnePlus 15 Pro doesn't hold back, with a triple lens setup featuring a 200MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP telephoto camera with advanced AI stabilization, making it a dream come true for photography and video lovers. The performance, as you'd expect from OnePlus, is going to be insane. Paired with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, this phone is built to handle everything without breaking a sweat. Now here's where it gets interesting. The launch date is rumored for early 2025, but OnePlus is known for surprising fans, so we might see it even sooner, and leaks suggest a limited edition color option that could become a collector's favorite. Imagine holding a phone that not only feels premium with its titanium frame and Gorilla Glass protection, but also keeps you future-ready with 6G connectivity and advanced cooling systems designed for heavy gaming. But here's the twist. While all these features sound incredible, there's still a mystery OnePlus is keeping under wraps, something that insiders claim could redefine the smartphone experience, and that secret will only be revealed at launch, keeping us all on the edge of our seats. So, will the OnePlus 15 Pro really live up to the hype and dominate 2025, or is there something even bigger waiting just around the corner? That's the suspense we'll uncover when the official launch happens, but one thing is for sure. This phone has the potential to set a whole new standard in the smartphone world. And now, here's the surprise for those of you who stayed until the end. Rumor has it that OnePlus might launch a special gift bundle for early buyers, possibly including premium earbuds or a smartwatch for free, making the deal even sweeter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.